In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kit for a landing page for a customer. We're going to walk through creating a simple, effective landing page from inside your Kit account, and by the end, you'll have a live page you can share with your customers, complete with an incentive they can download. Start by opening Kit and heading to the Grow section. This is where all your lead generation tools live. Inside Grow, look for the option called Landing Pages and Forms. This area is dedicated to any pages you create to capture customer information or promote specific offers. Once you're in Landing Pages and Forms, you'll see an option to create something new. Click on Create New and then choose Landing Page. This tells Kit that you want a standalone page, not just a form or any other asset. Next, you'll be asked to choose a template. Templates give you a pre-designed layout so you don't have to start from scratch. Look through the available options and select one that fits your goal and brand style. For example, you might choose a clean, modern template like Abby or any other design that feels right for your audience. Remember, you can customize almost everything later, so don't worry if it's not perfect at this stage. After selecting your template, you'll move into the editor. Here, you can edit the text to match your offer and your brand voice. Update headlines so they clearly communicate what the customer will get, and adjust the body text to explain the value or next steps. Replace any placeholder images with your own product photos, brand visuals, or relevant graphics. Take a moment to make sure everything is consistent. Fonts, colors, and tone should all align with your overall branding. Once your content looks good, go into the Settings section of the landing page editor. Inside Settings, find the Incentive option. This is an important step if you're offering something in exchange for a sign-up, like a PDF guide, a checklist, or any downloadable resource. Use the incentive area to upload the file that your customer will receive. Make sure the file is final, clearly named, and opens correctly, because this is what your visitors will get right after they opt in. When you're happy with the design, the copy, and the incentive, it's time to make the page live. Click Publish. After the page is published, Kit will generate a unique URL for your landing page. Copy that URL, and you're ready to share it with your customers through email, social media, ads, or anywhere else you promote your offer.